silver ship you made.
Reina, that ship is a weapon, and I will never make another weapon no matter how much money they offer to pay me.
I know. Besides, the silver puppets are more fun.
That's right.
Don't worry, Father. It may sound like I'm hungry, but I'm not. Really, I'm not. I'm gonna go practice my silver skills.
Jimmy?
Yeah! We look forward to it as well, Sho.
That went well, huh, sis?
Yes. Oh!
Huh?
Sorry. Now that that's settled, I really need something to eat.
てなわけでダイエット。
気持ち悪くなってきた。先
いらんいらん。
そろそろお昼か。